Okay, in logarithm, it is important to know how to change from logarithmic form to index or exponential form and vice versa. So now I'm going to change my logarithmic form to index form first. Okay, take note. First thing, we always look for the base. Where is the base? This is log b to base a equal to c. Since the base is a, let us write the base first. Alright, next. Where is the index or power? Alright, where is the index or power? The index or power is actually c. So in this case, the power term is c, and this is equal to the main term of b. So a to the power of c is equal to b can also be written as log b to base a is equal to c. Okay, this is useful when it comes to solving, but before we can do our solving, there are quite a number of laws of logarithm that we need to be familiar with. Alright, so I'm going to bring you through now. First is the product law. Alright, since both log terms are to base a, addition of two log terms with the same common base, I can make use of the product law of logarithm. Okay, so in subtraction of two log terms with the same base, I can make use of the quotient law. You should be familiar with these two. And if there's a power term, okay, for logarithm, this can be written as a constant c. Okay, these are the three common laws of logarithm that you can make use of, but there are some other important features as well. First, what is ln A? Ln A is natural logarithm, and this can be written as log A to base e. And what is log A to base A? This is equal to 1, whereas log 1 to base A is equal to 0. Alright? Last but not least, that is very important will be the change of base. Oh, teacher, what if in the question, I do not want base A, I want some other base? Very simple. Just tell yourself that you have to write in terms of a fraction. Okay, example. Oh, teacher, I do not want log to base A. I want log to base C. So please write log to base C for both the numerator and denominator. And take note, what is the main term? It's B, stays on top. And the base term, the original base term was A, put it below. Likewise, oh, teacher, what if I don't want log to base C? I want ln. Same thing. Write down ln. And what do you put on top? It will be B and A respectively below. Okay, with all this important summary, now we can go on to the solving. Okay, as you can see in part A, ln 2a is equal to 3. Like I said earlier on, ln can be written as log to base A. So I'm going to change the form of ln first. Ln of 2a to base e is equal to 3. Now, I'm going to change, since it's a single logarithm equated to a number, I'm going to change it to index form now. Okay, remember, what is our base? E. What is our power term? E to the power of 3 is equal to 2a. So I can actually press a calculator to find the value for e to the power of 3. So in other words, if I were to find the unknown value a, it will be just e to the power of 3 divided by 2. Now I'm going to press my calculator and estimate to 3SF. And the answer I obtained will be 10.0. Now moving on to part B. Alright, same thing. I'm supposed to write from logarithmic form back to exponential form. What is my base? B. what is my index? Power 2. And this is equal to my main term of 16. Now I'm supposed to solve for b. So I know you know we have to take square root on both sides. But take note, we have to make use of positive and negative square root of 16. So in this case, b can be positive or negative 4. But b can only be positive 4. Why? Because if you put negative 4 inside, it does not work. The base cannot be a negative value. Alright? So take note, whenever you have two answers, please check whether both answers are acceptable. I better write down, alright, the reason. Okay, the base must be a positive value. Okay, I'm going to solve for the last part. Same thing, change it to index form. We have a quadratic equation in terms of C, solve for it. Okay, so now we have to check our answer. When C equal to negative 2, it must be rejected. Why? Because the base term C must be greater than 0. Next, check for C equal to 1. It works. So C is equal to 1 is the only solution.